Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mariam Narona. We've been talking about business, entrepreneurship, startups, on the importance of ideas. We've also discussed how you can generate ideas. We've seen some sources of business ideas. So today in this very short video, I'm going to discuss how you can scan the environment for business opportunity, because all your ideas come from what you see around you. Therefore, the source of every idea is the environment. You find your inspiration there. So I'm just going to talk about how you can go about that. Whenever you're scanning the environment, there are certain factors you need to consider, and those are what are the natural resources available which you can use and you can exploit to your advantage. When I say exploit, I mean it in a good sense. I do not mean unfairly exploit. So, natural resource based opportunities work both ways. That is, how can I save natural resources, and the other way also, that how can I use an abundant natural resource. So you have an abundance of bamboo, how do you use it? You have an abundance of cane, how do you use it? You have how can you go about making this world a better place, because you have you're blessed with certain natural resources. This gives you a competitive advantage or a locational advantage. That is why this is how geographical indication has marks have come about in intellectual property, because every country is blessed with certain natural resources or certain natural weather conditions, climate, which are conducive to the production of a certain kind of product, or provision of a certain kind of service. So natural resource based opportunities also could relate to something like encouraging people to come to a particular wildlife reserve. There you establish a resort. So these are also natural resource based opportunities, not necessarily always making a particular product or service. So Italy has wine, or in India, in Maharashtra, Nasik is known for its vineyards. So what are the natural resource based opportunities? It could be the climate, it could be the soil conditions. You may consider these things. Now, local demand based opportunities. Now, we know that locally people have different tastes, different lifestyles, different kinds of foods and drinks which they consume, and every city or every place in the world has this. So, you'll see this everywhere. Local demand based opportunity is also your Nariyal Wala, who's there at every corner of the streets and cities in India. So like this, you may find that a particular place would have typical demand. So if you see idli and dosa, it is primarily consumed in the southern parts of India. Yes, it is consumed in other parts also, but you'll find that you'll find a lot more people selling those items in very commonly on the street. But you see in Maharashtra, for example, you'll find a lot of vada pav and bhajia, because people consume more of that. It's not that they don't consume idli dosa, but they consume more of those things. If you go to Indore or you go to Jaipur, you'll find a lot of kachori. You go to Indore, you'll find poha, jalebi. All these kind of things are there. I've just given a few examples of food-based businesses which have local demand. Then export demand based, that is, for this you find a market somewhere abroad for your products and services, or you think of what they will need. So if you see, we have certain kinds of products which are unique to our country which are exported outside. You study which are those products which have a very high demand in the export market, and if you can cater to those, then a local industry base, that is, you look around you and you see that you have certain local industry which is already in place. So this is like if you look at a country like Iran, their Persian rugs are famous all over the world. So if you start that kind of a business where you source it from people who make, or people are trying to revive weavers in India by doing this, different parts of India, they are trying to revive those by acting as middlemen, or say giving them some particular designs to reproduce and things like that, and then selling them. And you'll see even Instagram is filled with all these things. Then local facility based, that is, what are the different facilities which are there available in a particular place. Now this is more related to your industrial zones or your economic zones. If those facilities are available, people will flock there to make products and services. So you try to zero in on these kind of places, and then try to see the opportunity in setting up an industrial unit, say in a particular place. So even Dubai is developing this in the form of Ras Al Khaimah zone, and MIDC has always been doing a lot of work in Maharashtra with regard to provision of facilities for small scale and medium scale enterprises. So these are ways in which you can scan. If you keep these parameters in mind, you are able to scan the environment better. So thank you. I hope you found use in these little tips which I gave you. If you like the video, please hit like. If you like the educational content on my channel, please subscribe and leave your comments and feedback. Thank you.